Kinchit. We will do something from now with whatever we have learned so far. We will try to talk about our dinacharya. Dinacharya means daily routine. Dinacharya, daily routine. Uddhanam. The first word is uddhanam. Uddhanam means uddhanam karoti, to wake up from bed. Uddhanam karoti. Uttishtati abhi samanameva, parantu we have used that karoti, kurutah, kuruvanti. I have told you about Vishesha Dhatu, Kriya Dhatu, and I have talked about the Parasmaipadi form of that. So we will use this karoti and use uddhanam. Uddhanam karoti, uttishtati samana arthameva. It means to wake up. Danta dhavanam, brushing your teeth. Danta dhavanam. Vyayamam, exercising. Yoga abhyasam, etat sarvam vyayamam. Please mute. Whoever is unmuted, please mute. I don't have to keep telling that. It is your responsibility to be muted in the class. Snanam. Snanam means to take bath. Snanam karodi. Bhavan, kada snanam karodi? Kada we have learned it. Kada snanam karodi? Aham saptavadane snanam karodi. Saptavadane. Sapada saptavadane. Whenever you say the time, o'clock. O'clock is that ne at the end. O'clock. Saptavadane. Ashtavadane. Prarthanam. Prarthanam karodi. Kechana janaha गृहे स्नानं कृत्वा अनन्तरं प्रार्थनाम् अपि करोति. केचन जनाः गृहे जपमपि करोति. जपं करोति. अनन्तरम् अल्पाहारम् अपि करोति. अल्पाहारम् इत्युक्ते ब्रेकफास्ट. मध्याह्न समये, मध्याह्न is actually afternoon. We will talk about it in the next slide. मध्याह्न समये भोजनं करोति. माता भोजनं पचति. अहं भोजनं खादामि. रिंकी भगिनी भोजनं खादति. You should know the difference. अहं भोजनं खादामि. अहं खादामि. अन्य पुरुषः महिला अस्ति चेत् खादति. प्रताप महोदय खादति. रिंगी भगिनी खादति. पठनम. पठनम इत्युक्ते संस्कृते two meanings are there. Pathanam ityukte reading, Patanam ityukte learning. It is expected that in Sanskritam, when you read, you learn also. So Pathanam ityukte reading as well as learning. Pathanam karodi ityukte reading or learning. Lekhanam karodi ityukte writing. Lekhanam karoti. लिखति अभी लेखनं करोति एव. लिखति समानार्थम एव. गृहे बालकाः सन्ति चेत् क्रीडां कुर्वन्ति. कुर्वन्ति नहीं, बालकः अस्ति चेत् क्रीडां करोति. प्लेस. क्रीडां करोति. क्रीडा करोति ना, there is an anuswaram at the end. We will talk about the grammatical usage of that, but just start understanding. It is not क्रीडा करोति, it is क्रीडां करोति. पाकं करोति. माता अम्बा पाकं करोति. कुक्स फूड. पाकं करोति. केचन जनाः सैटरडे संडे सेवा करोति. अहं संस्कृत सेवां करोति. अहं संस्कृत सेवां करोति न, अहं सेवां करोमि. अहं संस्कृत सेवां करोमि. सेवां करोमि. टू डू सेवनम. उद्योगम. उद्योगम इत्युक्ते जॉब. उद्योगम इत्युक्ते जॉब. विनोद महोदय उद्योगम करोति. He is doing his job. उद्योगम करोति. निद्रां करोति इत्युक्ते सर्वं समाप्तं कृत्वा रात्रौ काले निद्रां करोति. To sleep. निद्रां करोति. Gacchati, karoti, I have explained it to you. In all these you can use karoti. Karoti is a master of all the kriya padams. Kriya dhatu, parasmaipadi shabdaha, karoti is the Prathama Purusha Eka Vajanam, it is such a useful thing. You can use with all of these Kriya Padams. So instead of saying Uttishtadi, you can say Uddhanam Karodi, Dantadavanam Karodi, Vyayamam Karodi, Snati, Snanam Karodi, Prarthayati, Prarthanam Karodi, Japati, Japam Karodi. Tadrisham, you have to get comfortable with the Karodi usage, which is the Vibhajya Prayoga. I've talked about in 2 classes before. Vibhajya Prayoga. Karoti, explain to you, Gachati, going. Agachadi, coming. So now you know the times also. You can write your own diary now. I want everybody of you to write your dinacharya for the next 1 week. Aham saptavadane, aham panjavadane uttishtami, or I can say, I will use whatever is written here only. Aham panjavadane uddhanam karomi. Aham uddhanam karomi. Rangarajan Mahodaya panjavadane uddhanam karoti. Panjavadane uddhanam karoti. Aham sapada panjavadane dantadavanam karomi. Aham sapada panjavadane dantadavanam karomi. Aham sartha panjavadane vyayamam karomi. Aham षड्वादने अर्धहोरा व्यायामं कृत्वा अनन्तरं अहं षड्वादने स्नानं करोमि. स्नानं कृत्वा अहं किञ्चित् प्रार्थनां करोमि. अहं सार्धसप्तवादने प्रार्थनां करोमि. प्रार्थना अनन्तरं अहं किञ्चित् जपमपि करोमि. अहं पादोन अष्टवादने जपं करोमि. अहम अष्टवादने अल्पाहारं करोमि. ब्रेकफास्ट लघु अल्पाहारमेव ब्रेकफास्ट. अष्टवादने अल्पाहारं करोमि. अहं द्वादशवादने भोजनं करोमि. आफ्टर 4 hours you are hungry, so madhyana 12 o'clock द्वादशवादने भोजनं करोमि. अनन्तरं अहं सायंकाले, if it is a student, he will come in the evening at home and he will do some homework. Mother will say, do your grihapadam karotu. Tat samaye bhavan pathanam karoti. Balakaha pathanam karoti. Anandaram homework likhne ka hai. You have to write the homework. Balakaha lekhanam karoti. Lekhanam karoti. Likhati api samanam eva. Lekhanam karoti. After that, he will tell the mother, I have to go for playing because my friends are waiting downstairs for playing cricket. Cricket kridam karomi. Aham षड्वादने cricket kridam karomi. So our friend Rangarajan Mahodaya is still thinking it has become evening, but I have not told you what is evening and what is morning. We will tell about that next. Anandaram Amba pakam karoti. Amba pakam karoti. अष्टवादने दशवादने अहम निद्रां करोमि. दशवादने अहम निद्रां करोमि. Or if it is balakah, he will sleep little earlier because he has to get up. He has needed 10-hour sleep. Balakah navavadane nidraam karoti. Now, if it is a lady, dinacharya is completely gone because she cannot do vyayam, she cannot do prarthana and all that because instead of 5 o'clock, a lady of the house, a grihini means housewife, a lady, she will get up at 4:30. But amba sartha chaturvadane uddhanam karoti. Anandaram padona panjavadane danta davanam karoti. अम्बायाः हस्ते व्यायामं कर्तुं समयः नास्ति. झटति स्नानं कृत्वा पंचवादने स्नानं करोति. अम्बा पंचवादने स्नानं करोति. Then she does not have the time for japam and all that. She will do some prarthana. Sapada panchavadane prarthanam karoti. Japam kartum vyayamam kartum samayah nasti. Anandaram amba Alpaharam kritum, he has to go to the kitchen. Amba pakam karoti. Sartha Panjavadane, when others are doing Vyayamam at home and Prarthana at home, Amba is in the kitchen. And what is Amba doing? Amba Pakam Karoti. So, like this, everybody of you, you know the times, the quarter, the half, the 45. I have not taught you the 5, 5, 5, 10, which we'll do the next class. You can write your Dinacharya. But then Rangarajan Mahodaya's question is coming. How do I say morning, evening? So we are coming to that. Aham dash vadane dash karomi. You all should write in your own diary and keep your own Sanskrit writing. Tatra atra Pratap Mahodaya Prishtavan. How do I write Lakshmiya? It's a very nice question, which means as he is listening to the class, he is thinking, how do I write Lakshmiya? Is it Visargaha? Is it Ha? But you also would have seen, I have not told the full answer because I want everybody of you to not to be spoon-fed, because I also want you to read this beautiful book. Everything is there in the book and you will explore the book. After the class, you will understand more. Go and explore and you will be able to further your learning in Sanskritam, and that way dhairyam abhi vardade, confidence abhi badte, increase both. Your confidence also increases. Aham dash vadane dash karomi. Certain things I do every day, right? Prati dinam, dine 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 karoti karomi. Then I will say prati dinam karomi. Dine dine prati dinam. So you use the word prati dinam. Aham Pratidinam Vyayamam Karomi. I do exercise every day. I am a very disciplined person. Aham Pratidinam Vyayamam Karomi. But my son does not do exercise every day. So what will I tell? Mama Putraha Pratidinam Vyayamam Na Karoti. Pratidinam Vyayamam Karomi. Aham Karomi. Mama Putraha Na Karoti. Bhavan Mama Putraha Pratidinam Vyayamam Na Karoti. AM. AM is English for AM. Sanskrit, instead of AM and PM, we will say Pratak Kale. Pratah Kale is Pratak Kale. You can also, instead of, you don't have to use the Kale also, you can just say Pratah. So you will talk like 7 o'clock in the morning. Pratak Kale. So you want to say, I am reading, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Aham Prata Kale Saptavadane Uttishtami. Prata Kale Saptavadane means morning. You can also say Prata Saptavadane also. Prata Saptavadane. No change. Prata Kale Saptavadane. Any time till 12 o'clock in the morning, Prata Kala Meva. After 12 o'clock is Madhyanam. We'll talk about Madhyanam after this. Pratak Kale Ashtavadane Aham Karyalayam Gacchami. Karyalayam, my office. Aham Sartha Navavadane Chayam. Pratak Kale Sartha Navavadane Chayam Pibami. Which means Ekam nimisham. Astu. मम ध्वनि श्रूयते वा?
आम् गुरुजी.
अहं प्रातःकाले सप्तवादने सार्धनववादने चायं पिबामि. Afternoon, after 12 o'clock, you will say Sayam Kale. So you will say Aham Sayam Kale Chadurvadane Gacchami. Sayam Kale Chadurvadane. Sayam Kale, note Sayam Chadurvadane abhi samyak eva. Aham Prata Saptavadane, note Sayam Saptavadane. Sayam Saptavadane means evening 7 o'clock. afternoon, sayam kale, afternoon, pratah kale, morning. Pratah kale eva, parantu lekhatvam, when you write it, likhatum samaye, pratah kale, iti lekhaniyam. Sada, sada means every time, always. Mama putraha sada nidram karoti. Always he is sleeping. Sada nidram karoti. Putraha does not do sleeping. He will be playing always. Mama putraha sada kridati. Kridati. Sada kridati. Always playing. Madhyane. Sayamkala is evening. So around the time from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock, it is not exactly evening. So you will say 12 o'clock to 2:30, 3 o'clock. You will say Madhyane. Madhyane means afternoon. There's a small difference in the Hindi Madhyane and the Sanskrit Madhyane. It is Ha full and Na small. The Na is within the Ha. The Na is within the Ha. In Hindi, it is half na and full ha, but a na comes first. Here it is not like that. It is khana, khana, not na. It is khana. Madhyane. Madhyane aham bhojanam karomi. Aham madhyane bhojanam karomi. Or you can say aham madhyane. Madhyane means afternoon. Dash vasare. What does vasare mean? हम पूर्वे एव पाठितवान् सोमवासरे सोमवासरे मंगलवासरे बुधवासरे गुरुवासरे. So you can also use the word dinacharya. Means some certain things you don't do every day, right? Certain things mandiram pratidinam na gantum samayam na haste na milati iti karane aham shanivasare mandiram gacchami. Aham prati shanivasare is also right also, but you don't have to say prati shanivasare. Aham shanivasare mandiram gacchami. Aham prati bhanuvasare kridami. Every Sunday I play. Certain people are there, every weekend they will go for gym. Aham prativasare gym gacchami. Prati shanivasare. Aham shanivasare gym gacchami. I go to gym on Saturday. Shanivasare, bhanuvasare, mangalavasare, tadrisha. Adya. Adya, I have taught you the complete series. Adya, Shwaha, Parashwaha, Praparashwaha. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Adya, Hyaha, Parashyaha, Praparashyaha. Yesterday, day before yesterday, the day before yesterday. I taught you all the 7 of them. So you can write your own dinacharya in Sanskritam in your book. Write every day. Lekhanam avashyakam. You have to listen, you have to read, and also you have to start writing. You don't have to write and put on the WhatsApp group and all that. There is no such requirement, but it is for yourself. So dinacharya, you have learned time now. You have learned days of the week now. You have also learned these terminologies like pratah kale, madhyane, sayam kale, sata, sada, pradidinam, and the days of the week. Adya, shwaha, parashwaha, praparashwaha, adya, hyaha, parahyaha, praparahyaha. You are actually good to go to write your own dinacharya in Sanskritam. So we also talked about you can, these are all the kriya padams that you can use for writing your own dinacharya. You will be doing things more than this, but then these are the basic things that everybody does every day. Uddhanam, dandadavanam, vyayamam, snanam, prarthanam, japam, alpaharam, bhojanam, pathanam, lekhanam, kridam, pagam, pakam, sevam, udyogam, nidram. So use these terms, karoti, gacchati, agacchati, kriyapadam abhi use krutva, pratidina, dinacharya, patrikayam, likhatu. For 1 week, you write like that. Any questions till now? Let me check in the chat box, because today we'll end the class a little earlier because I have to leave to somewhere. Padona Panjavadane. Sir, can you separate Padona Panjavadane? How to write? It is there in the book. There is a beautiful clock shown. Jayanti Bhagini, clock Pashyadu, Tatra Sarvam Likhitameva. Everything is there in the book. English book, Page number 58. How to write. Everything is mentioned in that. My copy has got page number 58. Kinjit Vyathyasam Bhavati. Certain people may have 1 or 2 pages here and there, but approximately page number 58. How to write Padona Panjavadini. If I tell you that, you will listen and you will forget it. So look at it once in the book, page number 58. Write it yourself. I've already told you to write your Dinacharya. You will learn it for life. That is the whole purpose. Astu. Any other doubts anybody has got? Could you please tell me whether the spelling Urmilyaha is correct? Sir, could you please tell me with the spelling Urmilyaha? Urmilyaha is correct. Urmilyaha nahi, it is Urmila. So it is Urmilayaha. Urmilayaha. So it is not correct. Urmila, Urmilayaha. Nadi, Nadyaha. Parvati, Parvatyaha. Sita, Sita, you write for me. So you write Urmila fully and then write Ya and then you put the 2 dots. Urmila, Ya, you write after that and then put the Visargam. This is wrong. I hope I have clarified that doubt. What is the meaning of Vahanasya, Lakshmyaha, Pavanasya, Padona? No other doubt. So let us quickly do some different exercise. So we have learned a lot of things now. So I thought it is time for us to do something a little different, because we have to make it functional Sanskritam, not just a lot of theory. So we have done already 6 classes of theory. How do you use it in your daily life? Sarva Grihe Lalita Sahasranama Stotram, Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. My book has got both Lalita and Vishnu. One side is Lalita, one side is Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram asti. Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram asti. So how do you learn so much of Sanskrit? Now is it going to be useful for you at this point of time? Whatever you have learned, can we apply it in our daily stotrams, daily japams and all that? So a lot of people are there who read Vishnu Sahasranama Namavali. Namavali means if you take the Vishnu Sahasranamam book and after the Vishnu Sahasranamam there is a Namavali, 1000 names of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu Sahasranama Namavali is there in the book, 1000 names. There are certain people who do all the 1000 names every day. Lalita Sahasranamam or Vishnu Sahasranamam. In every Hindu house, these books have to be there. So these are all compulsory books in every Hindu house. And I want everybody in our class to have hard copies of these books in your puja room. And it is not to be kept in the puja room, to be taken once in a year to read during Navratri time or something. These books are very valuable books. Once in a while, every day, Pratidinam, Pustakam, take the book, try to read it. Try to do japam. And you will start understanding more of Sanskritam. And we will also talk a little bit about the grammar of what is the grammar. So before I start into Lalita Sahasranam, Vishnu Sahasranam and all that, in your Pravesha book, in page number, just a minute, in page number 168 in the English book. In page number 168, this Rama Dhyaya Mantram asti. Ramasya Dhyaya Mantram. Rama Dhyaya Mantram is there. In every puja book of whenever Rama's prayers are there, this will invariably be there. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunadhaya Nadhaya Sitaya Pataye Nama. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunadhaya Nadhaya Sitaya Pataye Nama. It is there in page number 168 of the textbook. There is an explanation and translation of this also, but we will learn it from whatever we learn in the 6+1 7 classes that we have done so far. Whatever we learn, how can we understand this? Ramaha. We know the Shabdam Ramaha. So why is it Ramaya? Ramabhadraha. The word is known to us, Ramabhadraha. In fact, they say in Ramayanam, Dasharatha Maharajaha called Rama as Rama, Ramaha. Kaikeyi Bhagini, Kaikeyi Mata, Bhagini Nasti, Kaikeyi Mata called him as Ramabhadra. Kausalya Mata called Rama, Lord Rama, as Ramachandra, one who shines like the moon, Ramachandra. Vasishta Maharshi called him Vedas, the Lord of the Vedas. It has got a lot of meanings. It has actually got the meaning of Brahma also. Vasishta Maharshi called Rama as Vedas. The saints called him Raghunada. Raghukula Vamshe Brahmaha Bhujadavan Idi Karanat Raghunadaya. Raghunadaha. Raghunadaha is the name given by saints to Lord Ram. Nadha. Nadha means my protector. Sita Bhagini, Sita Mata. Shamitam. Sita Mata calls Lord Ram as Nadha. Ayodhya Vasi is called Lord Ram as Sitapati. Sitayaha Pati. We learned that just some time back. Sitayaha Patihi Ramaha. So Ayodhya Vasis call him instead of Sitayaha Pati. Ayodhya Vasis called Lord Ram as Sitapati. Ramaya. So Ramaha will become Ramaya. What does Ramaya mean? Ramaha we know. Pradhama we know the Rama Shabdaha Ramaha. Ramaya means for Ram, to Ram. In the textbook, it is all there in the page number. It is all there in the page number in the textbook as what is known as dative case 121. But I will not use this terminology called dative case and all that, because it is better not to learn it, this dative case, ablative case, all these cases and all that. But it is there in the textbook in page number 121. Whatever I am trying to teach you. Ramaya. Ramaha we know the name Ramaha. Ramaya means to Ram, for Ram. That is what Ramaya means. Ramachandraya, Ramabhadraya, all means the same. To Ramabhadra, for Ramabhadra, to Ramachandra, for Ramachandra. Vedase is a different form, so we will keep Vedase separately. Vedase we will not discuss it right now. It's a little advanced Sanskritam. So we will only talk about the ones where Aya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, to Lord Ram, to Lord Ramabhadra, to Ramachandra, or for is also same meaning. Raghunadaya, to Raghunada. Nadhaya, Sitapatyaha, Sitapati eva, Sita calls Sita, Bada calls him Nadha. Nadhaya, to Nadha. Sitayaha, we learned this just some time before itself. Balikayaha namakim, Sitayaha patihi Ramaha. So, Kasyaha patihi Ramaha. The answer we got is Sitayaha patihi Ramaha. So, Sitayaha pataye. So, when Pati Shabd comes, instead of Pataya, it is Pataye. The meaning is the same. Pataye means to the Pati. Sitayaha Pati. So, to Sitayaha Pati or for Sitayaha Pati, Namaha. Namaha means Namaskaram Karodi. Ramaya, Ramabhadraya. Aya. When it comes, it means to or for. It is a little difficult to explain in English, so I am trying to make it a little more simpler by showing you the next slide. Ramaha will become Ramaya. Ramabhadraha will become Ramabhadraya. To Ramabhadra or for Ramabhadra. Ramachandraha will become Ramachandraya. Raghunadaha will become Raghunadaya. Nadaha will become Nadhaya. To Ramaha, to Ramabhadraha. That is what it means. But this is all for the Akara and the Pullinga Shabdas. This Aya will come. So if you take the Vishnu Sahasranamam or if you take Lalita Sahasranamam, you will say Lord, all the Namavalihi will contain Namaha only. At the end, Namaha will be there. Whenever the term Namaha comes, that if it is a Pullinga Shabda, in Vishnu Sahasranamam, you will see Ramaha, Aya Namaha, Aya Namaha. I'll just take it for you for a minute. So, ओम वष्टकाराय नमः, ओम भावाय नमः, ओम अव्ययाय नमः, ओम अक्षराय नमः, ओम योगाय नमः, which means all these shabdams are akaranta pullinga shabdameva. Yogah yogaya, purushah purushaya, bhavah bhavaya, shivah shivaya, om shivaya namaha. So akaranta pullinga shabdams, when you are in the samarpana manobhavam to or for, you will say Ramaya. You also use this in simpler English. I want to give Ram a pen. Aham Ramaya Tadami. For Ram, I am giving this pustakam. So you will say Aham Ramaya Pustakam Dadami. So that is also another usage of Ramaya. Aham Ramaya Pustakam Dadami. Aham Ramabhadraya Pustakam Dadami. So if I am giving a book to Pradap Mahodaya, I'll say Aham Pradapaya Pustakam Dadami. If I'm giving a cup of tea to Pradap Mahodaya, I'll say Aham Pradapaya Chayam Dadami. Dadami means to give. Dadati, when somebody else is giving it. If I am giving, I'll say Dadami. Aham Ramabhadraya Pustakam Dadami. Aham Ramachandraya Lekhani Dadami. If I'm giving a pen to Ramachandra, I'll say Ramachandraya Dadami. So Dadami, wherever Dadami or Dadati is used, invariably Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya will come when the ending is the Akara and the Pullinga Shabda Eva. But what if it is a Stri? If it is a Mahila, you see the Lalita Sahasranama Stotram, the Lalita Sahasranama Stotram Ante Adi Namavalihi Asti. So go to your homes. If you don't have it, order these books on Amazon or wherever you want to order. Have hard copies, not Kindle. You need to have hard copies in your home and buy these books. And in this book, in the Namavali, you will see Bhadra, Bhadrayai. Bhadra is not Bhadraya because Bhadra is a Strilinga Padameva. So you will say Bhadrayai, Bhadrayai. Amba, Ambayai. Same meaning. To Amba, for Amba. Aham Ambayai Chayam Dadami, which means I am giving tea to my Amba. Whenever you use the word Namaha, you will definitely use Ambayai Namaha. Devi, Devyai. Gauri, Gauriyai. Durga, Durga, Durgayai. Durgayai. Durga, Durgayai. Bhadra, Bhadrayai. Amba, Ambayai. Devi, Devyai. Gauri, Gauriyai. Mat. Okay. So this is all there in the Lalita Sahasranamam. So when you take the Lalita Sahasranamam and do the Namavali, you will see this. Sri Padambujayai Namaha. Padambujayai Namaha. Padambuja, Padambujayai. Om Sarvarunayai Namaha. Sarvaruna, Sarvarunayai. Om Manoharayai Namaha. Manohara, Manoharayai. These are all Strilinga Padams. Lalita Sahasranam is full of Strilingam. So you will see this yai, 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 you will see. Whereas Vishnu Sahasranam is full of Pullinga Shabam. So you will see Aya, Aya, Aya. This is most of the cases you will be able to cover with this Aya and I. There are some exceptions. For example, Mata is not Mata Yai because Mata comes from the root form Matra. So the form is Om Matre Namaha. The meaning is the same. To or for. Aham Matre Pustakam Dadami. Aham Matre Pustakam Dadami means I am giving the book to my mother. Ambayai, but Mata is not Mata Yai, it is Matre. Matre. Because Mata, the root form is Matra, so it is Matre. Pita, it is not Pitayai or Pitayaya, it is Pitre. Aham Pitre Pustakam Dadami. So you would have seen till this class I have used the word Janakaha or Amba, but I have not used Mata and Pita because these are a little different. But it is time for us to start identifying the differences also. Mata and Pita, even though they look straightforward, they are not Akaranda, Strilinga or Pullinga Padas. They are Rikaranda, Strilinga and Pullinga Padas. So it is important to know Mata is not Matayai or Matayaya, it is Matre. Aham Matre Pustakam Dadami means I give the book to my mother. Patihi Pataye. Sitayaha Pataye Namaha. To the Pati. for the pati, patihi pataye. Guruhu tasmai shri gurave namaha. So when namaha comes, this form will come, but guruhu is not Guru Raya or Guru Ye, that is all wrong. Guruhu Gurave. Vishnuhu Vishnave. If you see the Vishnu Sahasranamam, you will see Vishnave Namaha, Gurave Namaha. Why I am telling you all this is we are going to read the theory behind all it. We are going to learn the theory behind all this later on. Practice precedes theory in Sanskrit. You start practicing it. You start, oh, Tashmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So Guru Shabdasya, to and for. When you want to give it to Guru or for the Guru, you will say Gurave. Vishnu Shabdasya Vishnave Namaha. Patihi Shabdasya Patidayah Pataye Namaha. Pitayah Pita Pitre. Mata Matre. Okay, so we have learned about Aya and Ai and Matre. You can also at home go and take the Vishnu Sahasranam, Lalita Sahasranam, start Matra. The first line in Lalita Sahasranama Stotram, if you see in Namavali is at the end of the Stotram, Om Shri Matre Namaha. It is not Om Shri Matayaya Namaha or Om Shri Matayai Namaha. It is Om Shri Matre Namaha. To the Mata, for the Mata. Similarly, there is another very famous poem about Lord Shiva's Dakshinamurti Rupam. It is Gurave Sarvalokanam. Gurave Sarvalokanam. Gurave means Sarvalokana means all the lokas. We will learn about the grammar of the lokanam later on. All the lokas. Sarvalokanam. All the lokas. Gurave. Gurave means to the Guru, for the Guru, to the Guru of all the lokas. Bhishaje Bhavaroginam, the doctor of all the patients. Bhishaje Bhavaroginam. Bhavaroginam means all the patients. Bhishaje Bhavaroginam means the doctor of all the patients, the Vaidya of all the patients. Nidhaye Sarva Vidyanam, the keeper. The ombudsman, what do you call? The keeper of all the Sarva Vidya, the keeper of all the treasure house or the owner of all the Vidyas, Sarva Vidyanam, which means all the Vidyas, Vishaje Nidhaye Sarva Vidyanam, Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Dakshinamurti, Pataye, Patihi, Pataye, Dakshinamurtihi, Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. So when Patihi comes, it will be Pataye, Dakshinamurtihi, Dakshinamurtaye, Shivaha, Akaranta Pullinga Padameva, Shivaya Namaha. Ramaha, Ramaya. Sita, Sitayai. Durga, Durgayai. Mata, Matre. Pita, Pitre. Patihi, Pataye. So you should start recognizing these differences. Some things you may not have understood, but Kala Kramena, we will learn it. At that time, you will understand, oh, why did Prasad tell in the 7th class about these things? Why is he starting to introduce these things? Because it's important to know why are we learning this. Practice precedes theory in Sanskrit. So you have to start practicing it. Start reading these books. Oh, what is this? Go and explore yourself. Ask friends, ask classmates, ask your teachers, study yourself. That is the way to get the bhasha kaushalyam vartate. Gurave sarva lokanam, the guru of all the lokams or sarva lokam. Bhishaje bhava roginam, the doctor of all the patients. Nidhaye sarva vidyanam, the owner, the keeper of all the sarva vidyas, all the vidyas. Dakshinamurtaye, Dakshinamurtihi, Namaha has come, so the form has to change to the Dakshinamurti, for the Dakshinamurti, Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. We have got 8 more minutes, but I want to be quick because this is something that I planned to finish today, so I want to finish it. Some more new Kriya Padanis I am trying to introduce in the class today, which we have not learned earlier, but we have started using it, so we should know what these are. Gacchati. Gacchati means going. Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti. Prathama Purusha. Gacchasi, Gacchataha, Gacchata. मध्यम पुरुषः, गच्छामि, गच्छावः, गच्छामः उत्तम पुरुषः, आगच्छति, come, agachati means ana, come. You can also do the same things, agachati, agachatah, agachanti in pradama purusha. Then madhyama purusha, uttama purusha, you can learn this. Pathati means read or to learn. Patati, patatah, patanti, patasi, patatah, patata, patami, patavah, patamaha. So I have already taught you that. But patati is a read or to learn. Likhati, to write. You can pradama purusha, likhati, likhatah, likhanti. Dadati, to give. I just introduced the term dadati right now. Aham ramaya dadami, aham matre dadami, aham sitayai dadami. So see the difference. Sita, sitayai. Rama, ramaya. Mata, matre. Pita, pitre. Patihi, pataye. So see the difference. Dadami, whenever you use the kriya padam called giving, you are giving to somebody. To give, you are giving it to, or you are giving it for somebody. You would use dadadi. When you use it, automatically that form will change. It will be shown as Ramaya, Sitayai, Pataye, Matre, Pitre. Whatever I have shown in the slides, go and listen to the videos once again, and you will start understanding. Upavishati, dadadi forms of Pradama Purusha, Madhyam Purusha, Uttama Purusha are a little different. So we will talk about in the next class. Don't try to learn dadadi right now. Of course, there are a lot of intelligent students in this class who already know Sanskritam. They can definitely learn it. New students, don't worry. Dadadi, I will teach you the 9 forms. Upavishati. Upavishati is to sit. Upavishati is to sit. Uttishtati is to stand up. Uttishtati is to stand up. Kridati is to play. Kridati is to play. Snati is to take bath. Pachati is to cook. Pachati, pachatah, pachanti. Pachasi, pachatah, pachatha. Pachami, pachavaha, pachamaha. Try to learn all the 9 forms of all these kriya padams except dadadi. People who know Sanskritam earlier or who are extra intelligent, who want to learn more, you can do dadadi also. The new students, absolutely novices, absolutely dummies, don't worry about dadadi. Dadadi we'll take it up later on, and that's it. That's it for the class today. We've got 3 more minutes for any questions. I have to leave immediately. So any questions? Gurave Namaha is correct. Shailaja Bhagini. Well taught, sir. Gurubhyo Namaha. Gurubhyo Namaha. Very nice question. Gurave, Gurubhyo. What is Gurubhyo? Lot of gurus are there. Gurave Namaha, one single guru. Gurubhyo Namaha, plural, Dvivachanam, plural. We'll talk about later on. Urmilayaha, I think. Urmilayaha, I think now it is correct. It is correct. I am seeing the chat box and answering the questions. Any other questions? Let me see. Gurubhyo Namaha. Yes, it is about plural of gurus. It is there in the book. You can read that. Gurus, all the forms are there in the book. Well taught. Astu. Any other questions? If anybody wants to unmute quickly in 1 minute, please ask. Otherwise, I will have to aham viramami. Any questions? No questions?
Sir, for Mata and Pita both, we are using same ending, Matre, Pitre.
Matre, Pitre, same ending. Everything is there in the book. Matre, Pitre. They are different forms of Shabdas, but the beauty is that at least there is, the difference is there, but at least it is same between Mata and Pita. Mata, Pita, Brata, all these Rikara and the Shabdas, it will be Matre, Pitre, Pratre.
Thank you.
Astu. We will do the Ekatmata Mantram. I sent the link of Radhika Bhagini's link to all of you so that you can actually click on that and click the Ekatmata Mantram, and then we can sing it. You can sing it along with me, but please mute and sing that. Yam Vaidika Mandra Drishah Purana Indram Yamam Madarishwanamahu Vedantino Nirvachaniyamekam Yam Brahma Shabdena Vinirdishanti Shaivayamisham Shiva Ityavochan Yam Vaishnava Vishnuriti Stuvanti Buddhastadharhan iti Bauddha Jaina Sachriya Kaleti cha Sikha Santaha Shasте Dikechit Prakriti Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Pitedhi Bhaktya Yam Prarthayante Jagadishitaram Sa Eka Eva Prabhuradvitiya वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की जय। सर्वे सुखम भवतु, मंगलम भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। धन्यवादः। श्वः प्रातः काले सार्धसप्तवादने मिलामः। धन्यवादः। अहं विरमामि।
धन्यवादः। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः। धन्यवाद महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः।